Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel at Official Oma Studios, where will help you understand cryptocurrency. Well, today I'm gonna be explaining some things you must have been seeing on the gateio platform that you may not really know what it is about. It is the Gate SDK. So now before we step right into it, give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get updates whenever I make our videos. So now let's hop over to our gateio platform. So now this is the homepage of our gateio. Now, one of the reasons why I don't like, someone asked me the other day in my previous video that why don't I edit videos. I just want it to be as straight to the point as possible. I want you to be in the experience. I want you people to experience how I'm going about it, so that it won't be kind of editing and try to cut off mistakes and all that. So now let's go into it. Now, to get to your gateio SDK, so go to this place that says developers. We went to this place that says more first. We tapped on it, there we scroll to this place that says developers. So now I want to tap on it. As you can see, like I told you in my previous video, I talked about the API documentation. So in case you have not watched it and you want to understand what an API really means, you can go to that video, which I'll be leaving the link of that video in the description of this video, so that it could be easier for you to navigate. So now we are going to be talking about SDK. What really is an SDK? What is an SDK? So now just like like I said earlier, this is a developer term for, these are mostly for developers. So now an SDK is, according to ESA, APIs for quick access to spot margin and contract trading using familiar programming languages. So okay, so let's just explain what an SDK is. It says I think an SDK is a software development toolkit. It's a set of software tools and programs provided by hardware and software vendors that developers can use to build applications for specific platforms. So now we use it to build applications for specific platforms, like just like gateio built, just like building an app for Facebook, Twitter, gateio, which we're making use of. On a normal, you can use it. You can have a website, no problem. You can have a site, no problem. But once you talk about building an application for a website, then you need an SDK. So just like I said, it is a set of software tools and programs provided by hardware and software vendors that developers can use to build applications for specific platforms. So these providers make their SDKs available to help developers easily integrate their apps with their services. So any services your website renders, you can now integrate it into an app. That is why we have the gateio app, mobile app. That is why we have Twitter mobile app. That is why we have Facebook mobile app. That is why we have mobile applications. So I hope you guys understand it. Now, in order to use an SDK, a developer needs to build an iOS apps, you need an iOS SDK and an Android toolkit to build Android apps, and Nordic SDK to build Bluetooth or wireless apps, and the malware. So that is it. Even though that an SDK is largely associated with mobile apps, developers can also use them in connection with websites, set-top boxes, and other digital platforms. So guys, this is just it. And now one thing you need to note about this SDK is that it includes documentation. It includes application program interfaces, just like the API. That is the API that we mentioned earlier. So, and code samples. And so it's just for you to know that an SDK cannot work alone, except it works with the API, code samples, documentation, libraries and processes, as well as guides that developers can use to integrate into their applications. So developers can use SDK to build and maintain application without having to write anything from scratch. So with or without writing any code from scratch, you can use SDK to build your application and to be very sound, good and nice. So guys, this is just it. Some of the things that so this is just it. I wouldn't want to delve more on this. Like I said, it is mostly for developers, but it is worthwhile for you to know that you can actually learn about these things, so that you'll not be a novice when it comes to some techie languages. So SDK enables developers to enhance app with more functionalities and let them include push notifications, ads, and more. So SDK can help developers more efficiently create new tools and make the process easier, because everything is pre-built. Everything in the SDK is already pre-built, and a developer can easily add new features with the essence of SDK. That is why most times in an app there is need for development, in a website there is need for development. That is why you get new features, you get to see new features every day because of the use of the SDK. So guys, this is just it. I think I believe I've been able to give you a brief explanation of what the SDK really is, and how you can integrate it in your application. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Expect value for your time. See you in my next class. Bye.